the first edition of the International Digital Days held in Paris here. Were amazing. We had one-day workshop with tremendous speakers, and then 2 days of lectures with an outstanding program.
A fabulous meeting, really well attended by clinicians from around the world.
Is one of the highest level of digital dentistry presented.
It's been a great meeting, some incredible clinicians, incredible amount of science.
Amazing program.
We had a completely Congress in English.
Fantastic speakers
from all over the world.
Very innovative conference.
The scientific program is perfect.
You can learn a lot and then you can apply these innovations into your private practice.
The possibility to bring to home information and suggestions is really great.
Je suis vraiment ravi d'être dans un congrès où toutes les nouveautés sont présentes.
We made some friends, we are all together talking about the new technology.
It was an amazing congress, wonderful lineup.
The quality of what has been said at this conference is absolutely unbelievable.
It's really a great meeting of the minds.
Superbe organisation de ce congrès qui pour moi est d'une classe mondiale, puisqu'on a eu des conférenciers qui sont des mentors.
Je savais que ça allait être fou, mais là vraiment, comme on dit, ils nous ont éclatés.
We were lucky enough to be part of it and it was a great pleasure for us.
The atmosphere is super cool and it's in my city, so I cannot say anything else than congratulations to the organizers.
If you guys missed the Congress this time, you should come next time for sure. I really enjoyed it.
We will wait for you for the next year.
Next year, you should come to the same Congress. You shouldn't miss it.
We are very, very proud of 500 registrations, and we're looking forward to see you on the next edition.